Welcome to this another video in Market Talk YouTube channel. So today the topic is about the VWAP and anchored VWAP. So VWAP is a concept everybody knows and there is no edge in that, and because a lot of algos are trading based on that, and the price goes above the VWAP and hits the stop loss of many. So VWAP concept is not new to anybody, many of people, and many of people know about what is VWAP. So we're just going to touch upon the VWAP, and then from there we develop to what is anchored VWAP, new concept which many of people are not aware of this in the trading world. Let me just introduce this to all. So VWAP is what is volume weighted average price. So the commitment of the market participants using the volume to push the prices. To push the prices is VWAP. So lot of algos are using this to trap the small traders. However, this anchor VWAP is a concept where we are using the volume, price and time factor to understand the market participant, how they are entering and exiting in trades. It's not that big market participants enter today and exit tomorrow. So most of the times they hold it for few days or few weeks sometimes and exit. So when they are exiting, when they are entering is what we can know from this concept of anchored VWAP. So this is the concept how we are going to see in this. What are things you should know is when there is a this VWAP also is a line you are going to see here. When the rising VWAP, the money is going inside, and the VWAP is coming down, the money is moving out, the negative money flow, and it is when this flat and people are holding the positions. This what is you have to understand this and how to read this. Now let us go into the concept of VWAP, anchored VWAP, and see how to plot it, how to understand this anchored VWAP. Now I'm taking this, actually I'm doing a trading view, then I will show you how it is available in Zerodha. Zerodha it is available. I will show you because Zerodha is little difficult for me to explain you. So I'm using trading view. In trading view there is a anchored VWAP. And first I'm taking example of Bajaj Finance. Now all the big market participants enter, we are presuming that they enter this price, they are pushing the price on the upside, and similarly on when pushing the price on downside also they are entering here somewhere. Okay, so we don't know like when it is the top or bottom. Okay, now for time being we'll presume this is the top bottom and try to chart the anchor VWAP, and going forward we will see how we can go from today onwards. Let us all in the how to predict the future exit points and entry points for the using anchor VWAP. Now here we'll go here and click this anchor VWAP, you can know. Now here presuming that the top is formed here, now let us click here. Once you click here, automatically the anchor VWAP plotted here, and this shows that the power of the volume, how the volume is pushing down. When the price is trading below this VWAP, anchored VWAP, from here the volume is calculated. Normally the VWAP for the day is calculated based on the current day. However, for next day the different VWAP is calculated. It doesn't consider the previous day's prices and volume. In anchored VWAP, it calculates it from this day one, from where we selected, from this day one, from here onwards the VWAP is calculated. So that's the purpose I'm telling you, that it is a perfect combination of price, volume and time. Now here if you see here, the starting selling point happened and never we crossed above the anchored VWAP, because the price, as I mentioned here, when this VWAP is keep coming down means there are negative money flow, money is going out from this Bajaj Finance. And here and the exited, these all these people who exited started entering here in this point. You can see here how the price is moved from here also. Now this is the bottom here, now this is the bottom is formed here, and this one swing reversal also. Now let us see here what happened here. Now plot here from here, this place. Now this indicates that the people who entered here are holding the positions here. That's the reason if you see here it came down, but still this is the point where congestion happened here, and still they are holding. There is no close happened here below this. Now after this the price started moving. Now the people who bought here are still holding with a stop loss of 2800. Now once the price goes below, they are going to exit. Now let us see Reliance. This is the way how you plot it. Now let us see Reliance, how the people are entering and exiting. Reliance Industries. Now we will see here. Now the starting point is this place, assume. Let us will make a plotting of all the entry points. Now let us plot our entry point here, this place. This is one place entry point, so still we are holding with stop loss of 1.1544. Let us plot zigzag also, we can plot so that understand what are the swings actually. Zigzag is the indicator you plot. Okay, now we saw this is the indication. Now we will see the another indication where people entered here. So this who entered here are holding with stop loss of 1759. And next swing is here. The people who entered here are holding with a stop loss of 1926. So this is how the entry points are coming. Once we cross everything here, automatically we are going to see the big down move after 1926, because all people are going to do the profits here. Now let us assume that today is the profit. Today is the top. Today is the top. Now let us see this in the smaller time frame for us to understand what is happening. Now let us take in the hourly time frame. In the hour time frame, let us see here. Now the top is formed somewhere here. Assume today the top is formed here. Now let us plot here anchor VWAP. Now here anchor VWAP showing here somewhere. Now this here from here, because it's a smaller time frame, we are not able to see. Maybe we can plot here around 15 minutes. In 15 minutes time frame, let us plot here. So this is a time frame, and sustaining below this anchor VWAP, we are going to see down move here. So 2170 is the stop loss. After this, we are going to see down move here from 2170. Let me just exit. Now let us see in Bank Nifty. Now we are going to see how to use this in the Nifty Bank Nifty futures. Okay, now July futures, I am taking the July because since you need to have volume, you cannot do in the spot. You need to do in the volume. Now let us see how to do this. The same way how you do here. Let me just delete this anchor VWAP already. Go to studies and try here anchor VWAP. Anchor VWAP you will get here. Now automatically it does some calculation on the starting point and does the calculation. Now the bottom is around, let me just tell OK. Now the bottom is around 18th May. Now let us just modify this here till 18th May, and 9:15 is the morning time what we started the trading. So this is the price at which the price is continuing, the big people are holding the futures, and the exit point is around 10,641. Now the people who are holding here somewhere, assume the swing point is here 29th June. 29th June is the time who are bought here, when they are going to hold, when they are going to exit. 29th June, let me just take you again. 29th June, 29th June, 9:15. Now the people who are holding bought here are exiting, will be exiting here around somewhere. The big down move, if it comes here, then we'll exit. Then people who bought here 16th July, 16th July, 16th July, who bought here, when they will exit. So this is the place. So now in case we see tomorrow any close or down move below this July, the today's low, which is around 1163, this is the time they will start exiting. The people who bought, this is the last swing low, and any time the tomorrow's low in the futures is broken 1163, then you can see exit of these people booking the profits, because they bought here around here 10,755. They're in good profits, almost 100 points at least. People who started building the positions here, they will start exiting the positions here and start shorting the positions. Now the same way we let us see in the Bank Nifty. Today Bank Nifty, everybody booked the positions on the downside. Now let us see here, see what happened. Whoever entered here, the exit point was today's red candle, and the person, those who entered here, their exit position was today's red candle, and those who entered here also, the today's exit position was today's red candle. So today's red candle was a big move for the last, all the positions that are created on the last from since 21st June, 26th May. Okay, so now from here on, what is the stop loss for the shorts? How to identify that? Now let us take here the toppers here, something like 22nd July. Now let us go for August expiry, because August expiry is what we have to see. Bank Nifty August. Okay, August expiry. This is a top which formed on 23rd July studies here, 23rd July 9:15 a.m. the starting point. Okay, let us me just 23rd July, no? 23rd July, we'll make it as a black color, so identify separately. So now those who have taken the position here, the stop loss will be today's stop for time being. If you see in the smaller time frame, you'll be able to understand little better. So this is the black line you can see. So those who have taken the positions on 23rd July, see those who have started shorting. Now the today's anchor VWAP was the top, you can see on 24th July also exactly we got the when the prices came up, this is the place where again they shorted and continues to hold. In case any rise, you can see resistance around 22,376. So this is how you use anchor VWAP concept for positional shorts and positional longs. Hope you like the video. A very simple concept, but rarely used. This is a very interesting concept also. This is the edge you can have. Okay. Hope you are subscribed and seen the video. This is going to benefit, I'm sure, but you have to use meticulously. But it's not that once you see and forget, you don't practice, then you cannot do anything. Okay, hope please subscribe and like this channel so that I can bring more videos for you to benefit. Thank you.